All right, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, September 10th, 2021. I want to show you the results of the trades using the Atlas line, the Trade Scalper, the At the Open, the methods that we teach here at DayTradeToWin based on price action. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker and understand the risks involved with trading. So to begin, one of the things that we teach here is price action and the understanding of price action and support, resistance. But one of the things a lot of traders don't look at are the wicks. And some of you may already know this, but if you look at how the market is moving, in this case, for me, 9:30 is when the market opens the day session. You see the market beginning to go lower and lower and lower. And you have these intervals where it pauses and then continues lower. And then it pauses here and then it continues lower. And it pauses and continues lower. Sometimes there's a sign with using the wicks where we see the market go down and then it can't sustain itself and it comes back up. And what you're left with is a wick. So I call this a yo-yo bar. And a yo-yo bar is basically like a yo-yo. It goes down and comes back up. Now, one yo-yo bar by itself is irrelevant. So if you see a candle here, for example, with one large wick, let's say this candle here, it's irrelevant. Or you see this wick down here. But when you have a grouping of candles all demonstrating to you that they're trying and failing, whether it be support to the downside or resistance to the upside, with wicks, as if it's trying multiple times to go down but can't sustain itself, and what you're left with is a wick, start paying attention because things are about to turn around or at least pausing for the moment. So you see here, as the market starts to go down, it comes and comes back up and then tries again and tries again. So you have this idea of multiple bars with wicks trying to surpass a certain support or resistance level, and then finally it broke through, and you see these candles have very little wicks. So this is just a beginning idea for those traders who want to learn price action. Start looking at not just one candle with a wick, but multiple candles in a grouping, all telling you the same thing. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.